What's up, you guys? I'm back again, and for today's video I have another how-to. For today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install LEDs in a Yamaha Fz07. You guys have been enjoying the last 3 videos. If you guys haven't watched those, please go ahead and watch them. Alright, so if you guys need to replace your LEDs, your halogen bulbs, or your HIDs, either on a car or on your bike, please go ahead and look at the description box below because I have a 30% discount code for you guys.
Alright, so here's the box. They're called Oedro. Let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Alright, so I'm not sure what that is. That right there, it gives you the instruction manual, and then there's zip ties and extra O-rings, which is a plus to me. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And then look at the LEDs. You could tell these things are like, or to me they look like high quality. They're pretty heavy, and yeah, it's nice blue color. I like blue. Let's get to it. 1, sorry, I'm doing a voiceover, but 2, I'm gonna first show you guys like a time lapse on how we did it. So it's just gonna be a quick overview. You're gonna see how it's done, and then once this clip is finished, I will then show you what tools I used and what sizes to use as well. This is such a fairly easy install, you'll see. Let's get to it.
So for the top bolts, it was a size 4. There was one here and one on the opposite side. And for the bottom bolt, which is this one right here, it was a size 5. Same thing for the opposite side, and then it pulls out gently.
Alright, so for you Fz07 owners, if you see there's a bunch of different wires that are usually not there, it's because he has aftermarket churn signals. But you want to go ahead and open that rubber boot that you just saw him open up, and then I'll show you what's next.
If you don't have this, just keep on going in and you'll find the factory Yamaha clip. Just unbolt it here, just pull on the clip up, pull out. Easy as that.
Alright, so at this point we're going to show you how to install the bulb.
Alright, so off camera we're actually looking at this, like how are we going to get this dust boot over all of this. You don't get it over all of this. You take this thing off. And one thing to know, make sure you have the orientation of this right, because this is high beam, low beam. So if this isn't put on correctly and you put it sideways, your low beam will be your high beam. So all you have to do is edge this out slowly. Like I said, make sure you have this orientated. The way I'm checking it is this notch is going to go down toward this wire. You know what I'm noticing about this? It has O-rings. You know what that is? That's quality right there. No moisture is going to get in there. So then throw this dust cap on. Now this is where some people might have some trouble, but if you just squeeze this in between that dust boot, we're going nice and easy. Just make sure this is aligned properly and it's good. Now if you want to get in close here, this, if you just stick it in here, you're not gonna be able to get this clip on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this dust boot, pull it back. And one thing some people might do if you're lazy is just completely leave out the dust boot. I personally wouldn't do it because there's a reason for it, and I like keeping everything there. I don't like leaving things out, or you know, doing things not, I guess you could say, not properly.
Mickey Mouse way.
Yeah, yeah. For all them Hispanics out there, y'all know what I'm talking about.
The Mickey Mouse.
Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bring the clip up, and you're going to want to kind of like finesse it into its holder. It's in there, you can slide it in. I don't know if you can see that, but the clip is holding it on the bottom down here. Clip's holding it, and on the top. So what I do now is just reverse of what I did the first time, push it in, and on this hook right here, the clip is holding. That's not going nowhere. Dust boot is on perfectly, and you might have a different style HID than this one, but one thing, LED, I'm sorry, but one thing you do want to like keep an eye out for is how much of this heat sink is exposed, because that is what keeps your LED cool, and you don't want that being suffocated by this boot. After this, it's reverse of everything. Just connect that there. Connect this here. Okay, man.
Be gentle.
All right. Now, one thing you want to do before you put this all together is test it, please.
As I've always said in all my videos, test before you actually finish the install.
Yeah, 'cause you don't want to put it all back together just to find out
that it don't work.
it don't work. You put it, and like I said, you can put these LEDs in wrong. So what if you put it in the wrong way? You don't know.
Bam, there it is.
And look, high beams are working.
I will be showing you guys this at night as well. So we're gonna have the before and after all the install. So please stay tuned.
So for you FZ owners, up to you guys if you want to do this or not. Like I said, I got the conversion harness because for me it was easier and I didn't want to deal with cutting wires. But you really don't have that much room back here, and now we just added more with this. The hard part in all this, to be honest, is going to be trying to fit all this in this little spot. But it is possible. You're just persistent with it and just keep on wrapping it around. Eventually, you will get it in here. And there is a little bottom storage area here too in this little pocket. Like there's a big plug in there too, but if you just go under it or around it or whatever, you will make it fit. Just try not to overdo it because you will rip this. And just pull on this plug and it will close up just like that. Throw that in there. So I think I will do this with this plug. I'll throw it in here just because there is a little bit of room in there. Different approach. Take this out, sneak it back here.
This is what happens when you work with aftermarket.
Yeah.
That's one thing to note.
Especially a lot of aftermarket. Well, it's not really a lot. It's just the HIDs and the
LEDs.
My turn signals. Like I said, these are aftermarket. They're flush mounts from TST Industries. If you guys want to sponsor me, hey. Yeah, they're not gonna
sponsor this guy. He spent so much money on them.
I did.
Alright, so once you've put the cover back on, you want to go ahead and align it with the holes right there, and then we're going to go ahead and put the screws back on, which the top one is a size 4 for your Allen wrench, and then the bottom one is a size 5 with your Allen wrench as well. And then you just do it for the opposite side. It's going to be the same thing.
One thing I didn't mention in the beginning when taking this off, this top one that's a 4 has these little plugs. They're like spacers. I suggest taking them out before you completely remove this because they will fall out and you just want to be careful with them. And then when you put the headlight back in, you just pop in here just like that. Is that right?
Alright, so here it's with the stock bulb, and you'll notice in the background you can't really see anything. Now let's go ahead and see what it looks like with the brand new Oedro. Alright, so here it's with the brand new LED, and as you could tell, you can see everything in the background, and it's a lot wider and brighter. So tell me what you guys think.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So these were Oedro LED lights, and we did install this on a Yamaha Fz07, which takes a H4 bulb. So if you guys like this video, like I said, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe once again. And if you guys want to purchase these, there will be a 30% discount code in the description box below. What's up, you guys? I'm back again, and today I got another how-to video. I hope you guys have been enjoying the last couple videos, part 1, part 2, and part 3. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install LEDs in a Yamaha Fz07. Let's get to it.
Half your face was out on that shit.